A Petricare Landscaping. We are removing this large red oak in the backyard today. I know it's a nice tree, but needs to be removable because it's so close to the fence and the house too. So we're going to completely remove it, including a stone grinder. It's someone need my service. Just call us to the phone number 214-254-9894. We have enough a lot experience, and also we have insurance just in cases you require it. Thank you. Voy a mover un poquito la escalera porque no vaya a ser que caiga aquí al mero pie.